I'd give you my heart. Take it.
This is dangerous. We have to get down now.
You have to listen to me, okay? I've been right here before. This is exactly where Nova wants you. He's using you to get to me. Come on, we have to go back down.
You'll always be running.
Heather, come with me. Please. Don't move. I'm gonna lift you up slowly.
Thank you for saving me.
I love you.